morning, students. Today we will start your chapter 3, Chemical Substances and Processes. In previous classes, we have learned about matter and its nature. So matter exists mainly into three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. All matter is made up of same particles which are called atoms. So all the matter made up of same type of particle, those are said to be your atoms. Or when atom combine, they will form molecules. They will form molecules. Material which are made up of same kind of particle that it has same atom or molecules are called pure substances. सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम से बने होते हैं उनको बोलेंगे प्योर सब्सटेंसेस. Pure substances further categorized into two types, that is elements and compounds. Pure substance classified into two, that is first one is element, second one is compounds. So what is an element? Element is a pure substance which is made up of atoms of same kind. For example, iron. Iron is an element which is made up of all iron atoms. Let's talk about compounds. Compound is a pure substance which is made up of molecules of same kind. A molecules of compound consist of atom of two or more different elements that have combined in fixed ratio. For example, water. They are combined in fixed ratio as to 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecules of oxygen. Each molecules of water contain 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of hydrogen. Clear? So this is the difference between elements and compound. In addition to elements and compound, we have mixture. We have mixture. A mixture contains 2 or more substances mixed in a proportion. The components of mixture are not chemically combined with each other. A mixture is therefore not a pure form. Element and compound are your pure substances, and mixture is not your pure form. On the basis of this, we are having your activity 1. In this activity, we had to classify the material into pure substances and mixture. Well, the activity 1 is classify the following materials into pure substances and mixture. So first one is air. Air is your mixture. आयरन, अभी हमने पढ़ा, एग्जाम्पल भी दिए, प्योर सब्सटेंस. और वाटर, अभी हमने पढ़ा कंपाउंड, वाटर कंपाउंड के अंदर आ रहा है और ये आपका क्या होगा, प्योर सब्सटेंस. आफ्टर दैट सॉइल. सॉइल आपका क्या बचे, मिक्सचर. After that, lemon day. Lemon day is also your mixture. Gold. Au ये आपका क्या है, प्योर सब्सटेंस, because it is made up of same kind of particles. Oxygen is again your pure substance. Here are chemical symbols given. Chemical substances are often represented by symbols. Earlier, chemists used pictorial representation to represent different elements. However, the symbol of different elements are now represented by the letter of English alphabet. The present day chemical symbols of some common elements are given below. These are the name of elements and these are the symbolic representation. So hydrogen को हम कैसे represent करेंगे, H. सोडियम को कैसे represent करेंगे, Na. मैग्नीशियम, इसका क्या सिंबल रहेगा, Mg. एल्युमिनियम, Al. कैल्शियम के लिए हम यूज करेंगे Ca. पोटाशियम, K. आयरन, Fe. हाँ, one thing you have to remember is that the first letter should have to be capital. In case of sodium, you can see here N is the capital and second one is the small. In case of magnesium, M is the capital. तो means आपको first letter क्या रखना है, जहाँ पर दो word use हो रहे हैं, दो letter use हो रहे हैं, first letter should have to be capital. After that, representation of copper is Cu. Gold, the symbol of gold is Au. Silver, Ag. Carbon, C. Oxygen, O. Sulfur, S. Nitrogen, N. Phosphorus, P. Chlorine, Cl. Bromine, Br. and iodine we use I. तो बेटा सम ऑफ द एक्सेप्शन आर देयर, इनको रखना है आपने ध्यान. देखो हाइड्रोजन का H से ही हो रहा है, सोडियम के लिए टिक कर लीजिए इसको, Na थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. मैग्नीशियम Mg सिंपल है, आप लर्न कर सकते हो. एल्युमिनियम Al है, यू कैन लर्न. कैल्शियम Ca सिंपल. पोटाशियम के लिए K अलग से रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, अलग से सिंबल है, तो पोटाशियम K. आयरन के लिए आपका क्या है, IR नहीं है बट आपका क्या है, Fe. कॉपर के लिए Cu कोबाल्ट बन जाता है, तो आपने यहाँ पर ध्यान से लर्न करना है कॉपर. यहाँ पर क्या है आपका Cu. गोल्ड के लिए डिफरेंट है थोड़ा सा, Au. सिल्वर के लिए डिफरेंट है, Ag. रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट्स आर सिंपल. देखो कार्बन के लिए C है, ऑक्सीजन O, सल्फर S है, नाइट्रोजन N, phosphorus P, chlorine Cl, bromine Br and iodine I. So better learn these chemical symbol. After that we are having your next topic, chemical formula. Chemical formula. Chemical formula of a substance is based on the composition of that substance. It indicates the type and number of atoms of each kind present in that particular substance. For example, chemical formula of water. Water का chemical formula क्या है, H2O. So it is the combination of two hydrogen and oxygen 1. It means that water molecules is formed by the combination of two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. ठीक है. Chemical formula of water is H2O, means H2O molecule is formed by the combination of two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Similarly, carbon dioxide. The chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. So molecules of CO2 will be formed by the combination of one carbon and two oxygen. ठीक है? So this is all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.